buongiorno, buenos dias, good morning. Welcome to the MEC3 School of Gelato. We're going to be making some simple recipes today, so come inside and join me.
How you doing, guys? We're going to be making a chocolate gelato, which you might know as a hazelnut gelato. So I'm going to let you know the tools that we're going to need. We're going to need a motion blender, a measuring bucket, your spatula, and your scale. Now we're going to be using MEC3 3% Nutella paste, which is a very good Nutella paste. We're going to be using our milk, our sugar, and our C100 base. So let's get started with the mixing. So first of all, we're going to use our tuto pan. So we're going to do, for every 1 liter of milk, we're going to use 100 grams. So we're going to be using 3 liters of milk, so that's 300 grams. Same as the sugar, 100 grams of sugar per liter of milk. So we're going to be using 3 liters of milk, 300 grams of sugar. The hazelnut paste is going to be 80 grams per kilo. So it's around the mixing is probably going to weigh around 3 kilos. So we're going to do 240 grams of Nutella paste. Let's get started. We're going to mix our 3 liters of milk carefully. Not to spill it. Let's add our sugar, 300 grams of sugar. We're going to add 300 grams of Tuto Pan C100. And then we're going to add our 240 grams of hazelnut paste. MEC3 hazelnut paste. Don't be shy, get in there, get it all. Side. Let's do our mixing. Open up the valve. I'm going to drop down to the batch freezer. I'm going to start that.
And again, just wait. So now as you're waiting for to pasteurize, it's going to get very hot in here, so make sure you have some good ventilation.